So congratulations, you're really close to being finished with week 3 of Excel for the 99%. What have we done in this week? I think this has been one of the most critical weeks of material. You've gotten really far so far. And what we've done is, even though you were familiar with the idea of formulas and equations before, we started using them with much greater effect this week. Not only calculating averages on our own, but using functions to do things for us quickly and easily, getting to some pretty advanced functions, conditional functions, that require different kinds of information in the arguments, but can make our work really, really easy. One thing that I hope you noticed is that even with a relatively small temperature data set, counting up how many data points match multiple criteria can get pretty challenging pretty quickly. And that's the real power of many of these functions. We also saw that Excel has some really nice point and click tricks to help us do similar things. We can sort our data and see where the highest and lowest values are. We can filter our data. And again, that's a way we can get our data to meet specific conditions so that we can see how many data points we have or what those data look like, for example, in winter months or in months with particular temperature criteria. All of this is going to be really critical if you move on to a point where you're trying to draw meaning from your data and you have hundreds or thousands of data points and you simply can't get much information from it until you filter it down or use conditional functions to only get information for a subset of that data. Very, very powerful set of tools. And throughout all of this, you've been working with cell referencing. We've seen the differences between relative and absolute cell references, and this is extremely critical for getting confident and competent in Excel moving forward. I think it's been going great. I hope you're happy with the skills that you've been getting, and you're going to have an opportunity to put those to work in an assignment very soon.